Easy to use. Removes dirt. Reduces costly repairs. Prolongs motor life. Prolongs belt life. This treadmill specialty kit also includes walking belt adjustment tool, complete with instructions and handy applicator wand. Quick and easy. A full 6-month supply with no muss or fuss. Meets and exceeds most manufacturers' requirements and works on virtually every treadmill model and make. Top reviews from the United States. Save your treadmill. I have an older treadmill I purchased used some years ago. I was on it one day when it just stopped. I thought, okay, it is used and I have had it for 5 years, it probably has reached its end of life. I started looking for a new one, but for some reason also tried to see if I could find something in the internet that might tell me why it stopped and what I might do to fix it. Who knew that treadmills have a safety device that causes it to stop when the belt doesn't slide smoothly, and once I read that I did some research and purchased this product. It does seem a lot for what it is, a plastic stick with a sponge glued to it, but I tried it and now I have a working treadmill again. I am not saying this will save every treadmill, but look into whether or not your treadmill belt needs lubricated. I will have to buy more lubricant, and it is a special one, so don't go using just anything, only the lubricants for treadmills, and you can find them here too. Best money I spent on the treadmill since I bought it for $200 years ago. Buy this and see. If it doesn't save you having to fix or buy a new treadmill, well, okay, but if it does, you will be glad you spent the money.